Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these really adorable fish soaps. So I first was inspired when I saw these adorable soaps on Basin's website. I thought they were so cute and creative, and I thought maybe I could make a similar version, but maybe not to as much detail. So these are the soaps that I came up with. And the first thing you're going to need is a soap mold. I have had this from a previous project, but I will link it down below. And then you're going to need some clear glycerin soap. I'm also going to be using this fish mold that I have and sometimes I use on cakes, and then a couple of microwave safe bowls. I'm going to take a little bit of my soap base and pop it in the microwave and just warm it up. It doesn't take more than a few seconds to melt the soap. And once it is nice and liquidy, I am going to put my coloring in to make my fish. And then I'm going to pour the soap directly into my fish mold. You can let it set out on just a regular counter, or if you want to speed up the process, you can put it in the fridge. Then once the fish are done, you can just pop them out and set them aside. I thought these would be really cute for something like a Finding Nemo birthday party favor, or if you were doing some type of nautical theme party. So I'm just going to set my fish aside and melt a larger batch of soap. I'm going to add some essential oil to this batch because this is going to be the bar of soap itself. You can add whatever essential oil you'd like. Then I'm just going to stir it in. And I'm going to pour about half of it into my mold. Then with a toothpick and some blue food coloring, I am going to go in and just do some different lines throughout the soap to make it look blue like the ocean. And then I'm going to place my fish into the mold as well. You're going to take the rest of your clear soap and pour it directly over. And because you want the colors to stay separate and you don't want the orange soap to start melting again, I popped that in the fridge right away. I waited about 5 minutes and this was the product that came out. Every single time I tried to do this, they came out even better. So these are a cute project that I feel like kids would love this soap, but they're also kind of whimsical and cute for adults as well. Let me know what you guys think of this soap design and if you guys have ever made your own soap in the past. Until next time, I will see you then.